Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by building a case-centered notebook so every class and clinic maps to a predictable folder. Create one notebook per semester, then add sections for each course and a section group for practical work. Once done, use pages for individual cases and put an Iraq header plus a one-line gist at the top so retrieval is instant. Make sure to set and standardize tags like issue, rule, holding, and note, and enable OneDrive sync so your work is automatically backed up. Next, organize for retrieval and efficient review. Structure each case with subpages labeled facts, procedure, issue, rule, analysis, and conclusion so your brief reads like a map. Once you capture lecture audio, insert it into the page and sync timestamps to your typed notes for rapid review. Also create a living index page that links to key cases, lists tag usage, and stores search shortcuts. Doing this saves hours when you need to assemble outlines or spot test in class. Finally, synthesize and protect your work so exam prep is frictionless. Each week, export key briefs to PDF and compile them into a course outline while highlighting exam priority issues so you build substantive recall. Once done, rely on OneNote search and the tag summary to generate prioritized exam lists and collapse items you've mastered. If sync or missing pages occur, check OneDrive storage, force a manual sync, and export unsynced pages to a local file as a quick recovery step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.